Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to place a check mark in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, you should be able to enter this check mark character right here in column C. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So let's say we want to put a check mark in rows 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 11. I'm going to start out by putting a capital P in each one of those cells. And then I'm going to highlight my entire cell range right here in column C. So I'm going to highlight C2 all the way down to C11. And then I'm going to go over here to the home ribbon, and I want to select this font drop-down box. And I'm looking for a font called Wingdings, and I'm just going to start typing Wing. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. And I can see right here I have Wingdings, but really what I want is Wingdings 2. So once I click on that, I can now see that every P I had has been converted to a checkbox. Now there are a few other ways to format cells so that you can display a check mark in Excel. And we go into those other ways on our blog. I will include a link to our blog entry for this in the description below on YouTube. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions, and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.